Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. I see Lays is running pretty crazy right now. Hassie's called in the Discord. Whoa, 385. I've just sent out the link, so people will be joining in a minute. Let's get this up. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's your next level here? 245 is your next level at the moment. So you have 245, and then you have room to 385. So here's key levels for those watching. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so Lasers looks like the top runner at the moment. I've kind of just turned on to see what else is moving. Lays, CMND is also a very nice chart. 342 is your big resistance level. 342 break, you can see all the way up to 680. So keep that on watch for now. I have here. Let me have a look. All right, so yeah, 340 break is what you want next. I just scalped this earlier with Hassie and some of the other members in the Discord at 302 I got in. And then I sold at 317, and then I sold the rest at 310 when it came down. So next up we have is 340 on this. Hopefully you get it. I was trading Lays the other day. Yeah, I think Lays moved. It was a mover the other day as well. So yeah, it's not bad. 146. Put 146 here. Gonna have to edit this demand zone. It's looking like this is a new demand zone right here for now. I still like ICCT. I know it's getting sold off and everything, but I still do like this setup. I've gone through this wick, but it's kind of just a high. There we go. You can have like that if you want. This is kind of what we have now for ICCT. So at the moment it is like pretty much coming to the end here of the demand zone, but this is literally the new demand zone that is forming right now. So if it goes below that, it's going to come down to, I'll just put it here, 134, which is the low of the day. 134, so you can watch what happens with that. NVNI, I like the setup as well. I know it looks like it's selling off here, but demand zone is simply just the last red candle before the big move, which is this. So that's why I have this as a demand zone labeled. Very clear and easy to understand. Breaks this, then you have 375, 405, and 435. Breaks below, it's going to come down to this demand zone. Hopefully we can hold that. PII, I'm not really too interested in on this play. It's not up anymore, but it was up earlier this morning. Possible falling wedge on this, but the volume isn't quite there for me to be looking at it. So I'm not really interested in it, so I'll just put this in purple. Kind of just eliminate this play at the moment. SNTG, I simply just have this on my watch list only because it ran yesterday. Yesterday was a great day in the Discord for myself and Hassie, and the alerts for the members. We 100% from both of us, which was good. 5 alerts I gave, 5 green. SNTG right here is setting up for a falling wedge actually in this demand zone. So this looks good. The good thing is that we obviously can see how it's respecting this demand zone, right? And then we can also see now what is happening is that it's holding this level, and we are starting to get buyers stepping in with the green candle. So hopefully we get a push to the upside next. But watch us wanting to open. It looks very good. I like this. We can move this purple line to here. So the purple line is where you can look for safe entries. That's what the purple line indicates. If you go on my Twitter, I'm kind of a big fan of using demand zone. Yeah, it's a lot more reliable. Like it just gives you. I know we have like a support line that I used to do, but the demand zone gives you guys more confirmation, like, or just lets you gives you a larger zone to kind of look for, right? And then we get those confluences with the wicks and everything. So it does work very well. So this one's setting up into open, SNTG. I think this is on my watch list. No, it's not. Do you have tutorials on how you set up? Yeah, there's a tutorial on my Weeble setup. I think it's only for 4 charts, but this is just for the 1 chart, but it's there. Yeah, it's called, actually, let me give it to you. Give me a sec. Also, guys, can you please watch the new and like the new video that Hassie's put out? I will put it on Twitter again for you guys, but would highly recommend if you guys watch it. It is a very informative video. It is great if you want to use or add some confidences to your trading, which is using VWAP. Here's the link for the Webull setup that I have. Do you always wait for break and base retest? No, I don't wait for break and retest. I don't do break and retest. I literally just enter within the chart patterns and get confidences within there. Demand zone is simply just the last red candle before the push to the upside. So if we're looking here, where's the demand zone on this? This is the demand zone. Why is this the demand zone? Because the last red candle before the push to the upside. So you just measure that with a candle there and then bang. It's breaking 345 as well. Where's the demand zone on this one? Very easy to tell. Last red candle before the green push up, and that's it. So members in the Discord will be getting this tutorial on this. That will be in the seminars on the weekend. So you guys will get an understanding on how I use it for those who are in the current Discord. So I'm doing a seminar on Sunday on how to use the demand zone, how to find it, and then obviously how you can use it in your trading as well. So you have this right here. ICCT. I like the setup. No worries. What's up, Hardy? Yeah, ICCT's here. It's just in this demand zone at the moment. It's not looking too great at the moment. It's selling off, but it is still in this channel down pattern. So it is still bullish as long as it stays above this chart, this support here. So as long as it holds 138, you're fine. Otherwise, it will be bearish. NVNI is breaking below. This is not looking too good, but it'll be better if it does come to demand zone. That's ideally what we would look for on this. Is there anything else moving? Let me have a look. If you guys want to post some tickets, feel free to do so. On that. CMND is looking like the best setup. Nice. Damn, I sold this way too early. I was busy sorting something out whilst I did it, but it's okay. So there's your break on this, your 345 break. Now you have room to this. What is this? 515. So a lot of room to the upside on this. Looks very, very good. I'm going to keep an eye on that lays as well. So CMND. Wow, this was a great move on this. Yeah, so 515 is your next level on this. This is a very good chart on this. I actually like this setup a lot. So this will definitely be on watch for everyone. So the reason why I say that is because it's clearly the one that's running at the moment with the most volume. It is pretty much the top play, I would say, this morning. So that's why you should definitely have this on watch if you are a day trader or scalper. Highly recommended. So it's breaking 340, which is a serious, it's a big resistance here from previous. 1 second, sorry. So we can see here, is it 345? Oh, some other level. Yeah, so it was this level here. What is this? Oh, 340, sorry. Just move that. So 340 was that level. Why? Because it was previous support, became resistance once, twice. Now we broke it. If it does hold this level, you should expect it to push up now to 415, and then it has room to that 515 that I mentioned. Wow, that's simple. I'm going to be joining your community long term. I literally just stumbled upon 2 days ago while I was searching spec and hut. Awesome, bro. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, join. You can join today. We have 10 spots left or 9 spots left for this current month. And then from then on, yeah, the Discord will be closed. So yeah, join if you want to. Recommend joining before the end of Friday, because Friday the spots will probably be gone. CMND NVI, yeah, CMND NVI, CMND was great. Hassie called that one in the Discord. It wasn't my call. CMND NVI, ACRS. I think I saw this in the top gainers. Was it or something? I don't know. Oh no. ACRS down 15% this morning, which is not a good sign. Not my kind of play. I would avoid this. I personally don't like this chart. I know it's bullish. Like, I mean, we guess it's an uptrend like this, right? So, right here. But for me, in terms of my setup, it's not my kind of style. But I guess as long as it holds at $1, you should be okay. I'm not sure if you are in it, but yeah, this is what you have. I don't know why it's down 15% this morning, but that's what you have. So you have $1, then you have 120, then you have this one. Yeah, the price action isn't great on this 125 and then 141. So these are your levels here. So right now it's at 108. Could be good possible entries. You're close to the support level, and then 120 is your next resistance level on that. Lays, yeah, Lays is good. So Lays is here. Look, 245 and then 385. So Lays is probably looking like a falling wedge. Yep. This looks like pretty good entries. If it was me, I would be entering this for intraday for sure. 100% I would be. Reason is we have a falling wedge setup right here for an area support. Yeah, looks good. So I would have entered here on this green candle close. So like 195 level. $2 is your, or you're right at VWAP right now. Actually, you need to break VWAP. So 199. So it's $2 here. So yeah, this looks good. Lays looks very nice. Lays looks good. So this is just a falling wedge setup. Lays, falling wedge setup. So it's worth entries in my opinion. I know it's a little riskier because it's pre-market and you have VWAP in the way, but technically it should get going. But yeah, it breaks VWAP, you should be good. There it goes. Quick, easy scalp on that. Go, go, go. I'm looking forward to a 6. And then I'll sell some. INO, please. Sure, I know. So it literally took me 2 seconds, Lando. As soon as you told me, look at it, I looked to find the setup and then I got it. So thanks for that. INO. Not my kind of chart, to be honest. I mean, the chart's bullish, if anything, but yeah, straight up. That's it. $1 is your next resistance. That $1 psychological level. So chart is very bullish. I can't really say anything else other than that, to be honest, at the moment. Here it goes. All right, I sold some here at 206 for me. And then next level is around 219. So we'll see what this one does. Looks very good though. I like it. I like it a lot. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Wow, quite a few members got in this one and nice. What on. Probably not. Spec up what I was into. Okay, right, let's see what else is moving here. So this one's, yeah, this one I mentioned, it's okay. It's not really that clear for me to be entering in this. I'll just put this as the demand zone here. So trying to just make my charts look exactly the same every time because it's my strategy. Once I get the same thing, that's where my setup comes involved, but there's a lot of other things that just come with it as well. So this is kind of just start of where my setup would be. So this is PII. So this is setting up for a breakout as well. So volume might be coming in here. So we can identify that it's in a demand zone. We're in a falling wedge. Buyers are stepping in with these green candles, are trying to push to the upside on this. So let's see what this one does do. BYU, let me have a look. Very low volume on this. Not my kind of setup, unfortunately. Yeah, BYU. So just wait for downtrend break. on BYU. ICC taking off. Should be, is it? Let's see. So it's in this new demand zone. I need to just edit this demand zone right here. I'm just going to keep editing it until it does fine. So there's your bullish engulfing candle. So you have an indication of two confluences right now. You have a channel down pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Okay. You have a demand zone as well, which you can add to a confluence. And then confluence number 3 would be a bullish engulfing candle, which indicates a reversal. So you have 3 indications that this should push to the upside. Next resistance is around 160. 160, then 169. So this looks very good. It's actually a nice setup. So ICC is trying to reverse. So it's trying to reverse. So this looks very good. I like this setup. I'm definitely going to watch this one into open. I still do like this one from earlier this morning. I traded it. So hoping it does get moving again. Would be nice. How's CMND looking? So CMND is doing pretty much what you expect, right? So this was that high level that I had here, remember? This 340, so you have the break of 340, here's your retest, and now you're pushing to the upside. Simple break and retest on that. I'm not in that trade. Lays, we're here. What is this? 208. ICCT. We like this one as well. We're going to keep this on watch. NVNI, it's coming into this demand zone, which is exactly what I want. I'm going to wait for a couple things to look for my possible entry on this one. So we have it now in the demand zone, which is checkpoint number 1 for me. So NVNI is back in demand. So if this candle closes, I might look for possible entries. We'll see what this one does. SNTG, this one's simply just the runner from yesterday. It's in a falling wedge setup at the moment in demand zone. It looks like it is trying to push to the upside. So if you get 340 break, you should be all right on this. But I'd personally just wait it out on this. But if this was intraday, yeah, I would probably be looking for an entry on this, to be honest. What else? ELEV, this is like a 3-day runner. Look, day 1, day 2 here. And now 216 is your next resistance. At the moment, we are in a downtrend, which is fine. But we are also in a bullish pennant-ish, I think. Yeah, we are. Here you go. So this is decision time here. The volume could pop right off at this level right now, actually, as we speak. Reason is we're at the end of this pennant, and we are a runner from 3 days ago. So ELEV is looking good as well. So there's a possible 3-day run on this. So 3-day runners are usually great. Yeah, what did it run to yesterday? Yesterday's high was 216. So yeah, breaks 216, then you can keep going obviously to the upside on that. But at the moment it is bullish. We are looking for it to break out. It needs to do it right soon because market's going to open in 30 minutes. Yeah, here's the link for the Discord. We have changed to WAP, so we use Stripe now. We don't use Upgrade Chat. So if you want to join, there's a link there. We have 9 spots left. Oh, 8 now. 8 spots for the month. CLRB is breaking that level that I mentioned, 374. So this looks nice. Definitely keep this one on watch, guys. CLRB. I like this one a lot because this is a big resistance level here. If we break this, we should get going. So if we can, I'm going to see if we can hold this into open. We can definitely keep this on watch. It's open. So I'm going to just keep this one. Yeah, guys, keep this on watch because it ran 14% yesterday as well. Larger time frame, what's happening? Oh no, so if we break this level, right? If we break this 375, which we are trying to do right now, next resistance level is 392 or 393, sorry. 393 is your resistance, and then 478 right here. So these are your levels at the moment. So if we break this level, which we are trying to break right now, and holding this, then we can push to 393 and then all the way up to 478. So keep this one on watch. Could be a 2-day runner. Definitely worth keeping this on watch. What's happening with this NVIDIA? Right, this is what I want to see now. Now we're in the demand zone. Now we can keep this on close watch. Right. XERS. What's up, Peter? XERS. This is nice actually. I'm gonna add this. It looks like it's moving. It's up 17%. Thanks for that. I'll keep that on watch. Now looking at a larger time frame, we broke a previous high, which was here. 267. What's in the way? 307 or $3. $3 is your next resistance level, so you can see clearly just this here. 1, 2, 3, 4 broke above. So yeah, if you get a candle close above $3, that'd be nice. But at the moment, it is bullish. You are looking very good on this, but I would wait at least like 10 minutes after open, see how this one does do. SNTG, what's happening with this? SNTG still here. Yeah, it's a lower time frame setup, or higher time frame setup, sorry. LAES, it's coming down, but it's still looking pretty good. So we can even update this a little bit and get more of a clean falling wedge, which is around here. In order for it to be a falling wedge, it must not be like this. If the chart is like this is a descending triangle, so that means that the chart is bearish, so you should expect that. You have to make sure when it's a falling wedge that the support line is at a slant or at an angle, right? If it's straight, if the angle is 90 degrees, then it is a bearish chart. So make sure you know that. Go, go, go. Come on. Let's see if you can go here. 215 and then 219 on this. Definitely a nice play. I like this setup a lot though. It needs to break this, is struggling to break it. Big watch. Yeah, this is a nice shot. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. If you have any questions, I'm going to just run through my watch list, and then I'm going to head to Discord. So obviously CMND is probably #1 watch because it's broken that 340 high. I'm looking for it to hopefully come down to this demand zone. I play pullbacks. I don't chase a play, so hopefully it comes down to here. If not, I will wait for my entries. LAES is running pretty well. This is very nice. I'm waiting for 215 to sell more, and then 219 we should get going. ICCT, it's okay. It's not really doing too much at the moment, but after this candle, I expect it to push up, but as long as it holds this chart pattern at 138, we should be okay. NVNI is in the demand zone. This is exactly what I like to see. This is possibly an entry here. If you get a green candle close, I would definitely take an entry, in my opinion. So NVNI, but it is a little bit risky because market is opening. So NVNI is looking good. So we're pulling back right into demand zone right now as we speak. So yeah, I'm just mentioning that I like this one a lot. The reason is because we're right back in demand zone at the moment. SNTG, higher time frame setup. XERS, $3 is your major resistance level, as I mentioned to Peter on this one. ELEV, 3-day runner possibility, break out of that. CLRB holds this level into open, we should be okay. Just sub $1 plays I'm not really too interested in. So that's kind of what I have for today, guys. I will post charts where I can. I'm going to be pretty busy doing live trading for members today, so that's what I'll be doing. But yeah, I'll share charts if I can. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.